guys, Michelle here, and I'm at the doTERRA convention in Utah, and I just picked up my new kit with all the new products, and I just want to do a quick video just to share everything with you and open the kit together. So here on the outside of the bag is the On Guard mouthwash. I'm excited to try that. Excited to try everything actually. New deodorant. We have a body mist spray. We have all these lovely new oils, and I'll do individual videos for them later and give you more information. And we've got some soft gels here. Excited about that as well. But what I'm really excited about is the doTERRA Kids collection. This one I'm just going to open as well. But I'll go through everything in more detail when I'm back home and I'm not in Utah. So this is amazing. It has little spaceships on it. They have the little buttons here so you can get it to clip and then open it if you want. And then so you have your 6 oils. I'll just do a quick, there they are. Those are the 6 blend oils for your children or big kids too, because I think I'm going to try some out. You have these flashcards as well. So my kids are just going to love this. As all of you know, my kids love using the oils and we love learning together. You know, some days they know more about certain oils than I do. But what's really cool, and they'll love to put this on they can just attach it to their backpack. How awesome is that? And it's rainbow colors. I think they're going to love it. Anyways, so there you go. This is what it looks like. This is the kit. These are the new products. And I'll do individual videos later. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be doing a few workshops, and I'll have all the products available for you to touch and feel and taste and try and smell. This one's gonna be good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.